So if you guys in the new trading, you guys should have to know four main markets into this area. The first one is the forex. Currencies like euro or dollar is trading into this market. This market is open 24 hours, but just 5 days a week, so during the weekdays, not weekends. And also the biggest market in the world. Okay, second one is indices. Baskets of stocks like NAS 100 and SPX 500 is trading into this area. And also into this market, big United States tech companies and pro firms are trusting to this market. Okay. Third one is commodities like gold, silver, oil, and also gold is especially known as a safe haven into this area. And the last one, as you guys know, is the crypto. Crypto is never gonna close. Every day, whenever you want, you can trade it. But the one tricky thing is, if you don't know how can you manage your emotions, you are gonna get lost. Please take care. Don't do a lot of the overtrade. Just learn something. Try to search up through the Twitter and then try to trade. But please just take carefully.